Autolus was engaged with the Northern Alliance ATTC from the outset. In parallel to the work that we were doing through the ATTC, we were actually engaged in running our early clinical studies for a number of our programs. The knowledge that we learned through the program and through the work on those studies has actually enabled us to build a very strong clinical capability and has actually been one of the aspects which has underpinned our global clinical trial program. Patients are at the heart of everything that we've done with the ATTC. In addition to those patients who obviously benefited from being involved in the early clinical studies, we've also been able to take the learnings both ourselves in terms of conducting our clinical studies more efficiently and effectively, but also I believe that the centres have also taken the knowledge, and this has actually paved the way for patients to receive treatment from CAR T-cell therapy, both in clinical studies and in the early commercial adoption of the products. Clearly, this is a very exciting area because patients stand to benefit from CAR Ts and other advanced cell and gene therapy treatments in profound ways, including offering the potential for cure in some patients.
The site management team have responsibility for collaborating with NHS partner sites to facilitate the setup and delivery of CAR T clinical trials. Successful clinical trial conduct is very dependent on effective site-sponsor relationships. That's why it's been fantastic to be part of such a collaborative organisation as the Northern Alliance ATTC. Autolus has greatly benefited from open discussions with members of the Northern Alliance and the opinions and experiences shared by the diverse experienced team from multiple disciplines. These discussions have supported the identification of opportunities to optimise the delivery of ATIM clinical trials and patient experience. The forum has been particularly crucial as our ability to meet with site personnel has been so restricted due to the COVID pandemic.
The Northern Alliance ATTC collaboration has been instrumental in establishing reliable time and temperature-sensitive cell therapy logistics. Together, we were able to rapidly advance our understanding and qualification of the latest technology. This enabled international logistics systems and process simplification, as well as standardization from patient apheresis through manufacturing and patient dosing. These valuable learnings and best practices were incorporated in the UK review and recommendations on the procurement of starting materials for other sponsors to leverage and pursue further advancements.
The patient and cell management team essentially look after clinical trial site-facing supply chain for Autolus's autologous CAR T cellular therapies. This includes qualification of apheresis facilities as suppliers of raw material into the GMP manufacturing process, as well as looking after patient scheduling and logistics for delivery of cellular starting material into production and finished drug product back to the clinic for patient administration. Collaboration with the Northern Alliance ATTC has enabled an extremely close and productive relationship between Autolus and Northern Alliance clinical site partners. This has allowed us to understand the challenges and opportunities from the clinical site perspective and improve systems for the benefit of both the organisations involved and ultimately for the patients who rely on these seamless relationships for the effective and efficient conduct of the clinical trials in which they participate.
I believe that one of the main successes of the ATTC has been to foster collaboration. And I believe that this collaboration has led to both faster and more efficient exchange of information and has helped us to commonly solve the challenges in bringing ATMPs, advanced treatments, to patients. And this has been really one of the key successes of the ATTC network. The success of the ATTCs in actually accelerating the adoption of ATMPs has been facilitated through collaboration. And I believe that this is the cornerstone that has allowed us to both learn from each other and also take best practices and apply them more widely so that more patients could receive these groundbreaking and pioneering types of advanced cell and gene therapies earlier than would otherwise have been possible. Importantly, I also think that the ATTC network and the collaboration has actually helped patients to receive these treatments earlier, both in clinical trials, and supported their wider adoption once they became available commercially.